Hey everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 3 on the Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk Dreams. Oh, I think the look today, I just really want to kind of do like a smoky type of look with, ooh, look at that lighting with just that little murr. Get it, get it. A smoky look with just using this and maybe just a prime shadow all over the face or all over the eye. We'll see. Manu. So let me go ahead and prep my eyes and then we will get into this tutorial. It's going to be very simple, very easy, very simple. So without further ado, let me go prep my eyes and we will be right. So eyes are prepped with, what is that? MAC Paint Pot Soft Orchid, whatever. So I'm going in with the prime shadow with my finger and we are just going to, just go with it. So, fix my mirror. I'm just going to go ahead and do this all, oh, that is so beautiful. That is very, very beautiful. All over the lid and up into the brow bone. But mainly focus on the lid and then whatever's left over onto the brow bone. This is so beautiful. Something just very simple, and it's very soft to the touch. Lid, saturate the lid, and then whatever's left over onto the brow bone. Oh, I die. Do you die? I die. Perfect. And just really begin to focus right on the center of the eyelid to get really a lot of that jewel tone effect. Perfect. All right. Now, gonna take let me go in with a fluffy brush actually. What kind of fluffy are we going to do? That is the thing about having so many eyeshadow brushes. Let's go with something like this. What is this from? This is from Urban Decay's, I think, Naked Heat dual ended brush. Going in with the enhance, or is this the smoke? Smoke, and just begin to just place it right on the outer. Oof, this really adds up. Or not adds up, this really can intensify. Perfect. And just really begin to make them look like they're related. Try to at least. And these mattes are very silky smooth. Just do that. Do that. Because now, going in with a fluffy brush and just begin to literally just smoke it out. Add a little bit more. Just really begin to get that angle and bringing it up right onto the brow bone. So I bring my eyeshadows on literally onto my brow bone because you need to be able to see it, to be quite honest. Perfect. And I always got to keep in mind that one eyelid is bigger than the other. So I have a lot more eye space on my left eye than I do on my right eye. So yeah. Even though trying to even that out is also a task in itself. Perfect. And just really begin to blend it out at the edges. Blend, blend, blend. And I think the biggest thing I like about Charlotte Tilbury is that it's very much using the eyeshadow to really wing out the look and then going in with a black liner, black eyeshadow, black liquid, whatever, just to really intensify that cat eye a lot more. Perfect. And then from here, I'm gonna go in with the liner brush and back into that smoke shade. Oh, sorry. Just really begin to bring it along the lash line. Then I think I'm just going to do my waterline or rim my eye. Gonna rim myself, which is the black. Perfect. And this is how we really start to create a smoky look. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go back in and just really begin to blend this out. This is literally 90% of makeup looks. Blending, adding, blending, adding, blending. Perfect. Awesome. I'm just going to blend this out and then we will be back. All right, here is the final look. My hair, I know. I mean, look at the foundation. I mean, kind of matches the arm, but as far as the neck, whoo, girl. Anyways, yeah, just the prime shade and the the smoke shade. And I went ahead and lined my eyes with Urban Decay's Zero. And I did the Self Sculpt from the Nudegasm. Did this, and I combined these two for my highlighter. But I actually do want to add a little bit more, just a smidge of the gold. There we go. Just a smidgers. Poppin'. And for lips, I actually have on, what is it? Walk of No Shame, which is beautiful, mixed with Naked Rose. Is it Naked Rose? Yeah, Naked Rose Opulence Gloss. And for blush, it's still the Venusian Sunrise. Venusian Sunrise from Pat McGrath is what I have on for blush. I don't have any blushes from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm not going to get any. But yeah, tutorial number 3 on this eyeshadow palette. And it's just so beautiful. Such a great everyday type of palette, wedding or whatever, because this is just magnificito and everything just blends very well. But I feel like as far as an eyeshadow primer, I would like this more with probably Too Faced the Shadow Insurance, which I'm out of, but I have to go through this. And it's a lot. Oh gosh, how many grams is in here? It doesn't say. 5 grams worth of eyeshadow primer right there. Even the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer would actually work very well with this to really pop everything more and make it very adhesive, which would be really nice. But yeah, I mean, can we like just enjoy the moment? This is beautiful. For mascara, I'm still using the Dior Iconic Curl. I'm trying to go through everything I have before I start creating more of an actual specific type I'm trying to use all the time. And for foundation, as usual, Airbrush Flawless Foundation 7.5 warm. Boy, is it warm. And the Hollywood Flawless filter and number 4 medium. Been mixing that still. Brows are still Benefit. What is it? The Gimme Brow in 4.5. They look related. That's all that matters. But yeah, tutorial number 3. I mean, I'm very surprised that we're getting more in depth with the quads, because a lot of quads, a lot of people, I mean, I don't blame them. It's just kind of like they don't have that vision of seeing how things can be done. So it is my goal to try to do as many as we can with this. And this is look number 3, which is 2 shades, which is beautiful. Of course, if you have more of a black, you could really make this more dramatic and smoky. Or yeah, even with the liner, just put it there and then just smoke it out and then put the brown or whatever you want on top of it, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, this is actually a very beautiful quad. I think I have her Super Blue quad, which I'll probably definitely do a palette focus on that as well. But as far as her lipsticks, I actually really do love her formulation. Yeah, tutorial number 3. Definitely a few more to come before I actually move on to another one for the month of December, which will be a surprise of my palette focus for December. I actually might do 2 palette focuses for December. One from the beginning of December till Christmas, and then after that from the day after Christmas to, well, here in the Netherlands it's considered second Christmas. So from the 26th to New Year's, I kind of want to focus more on, yeah, kind of like a New Year's glitter type of stuff, which I might use one palette focus for that one, or just a combination of like very glitzy, glammy type of looks. But yeah, I'm actually really digging this palette focus. If you have this, yeah, look number 3, beautiful. It's firework. Airbrush Flawless Foundation, as usual. You can see my pores. You can just see what life has done to me, basically. Still going strong. Still going strong. Oh, and I did set with this. I am really, really loving this. It really keeps everything on. And I'm very curious when I do my photo shoots, when I get back into doing my shoots again, I'm curious of how it will be, because I like to layer with my setting sprays. I'll do some primer and stuff like that, then I'll do like a setting spray, or even something like a dewy setting spray, just to get more of a dewy, let that set, then put on the foundation if I'm doing with guys, or girls do the eyes and stuff like that. It's just layering I like to do, just so it really stays on. But yeah, and for my under eyes, all I have been using so far is the Guerlain Multi-Perfecting Concealer Hydrating Blurring Effect in shade number 3, medium warm. And on top of that, I just put on the Becca, which I need to find an alternative for this, which might be the Charlotte Tilbury, because this is the only thing I have, and we don't have Smashbox here in the Netherlands, as popular as it is in the States. And I know Smashbox is still selling this. If I go visit, I am buying some, because this, put this on first, put this on top, then I put on my foundation. That is all I do. So without further ado, video number 3, a couple more coming, maybe like 2 to 4-ish, because I really want to be able to maybe just next just do this kind of like an all over the lid smoky type effect. And I will see you guys next video. So enjoy your day.